during festive period. Why are you asking me of the mission? I'm in my brother's house. This is not the first time. This is not the second time. This is not the third time you're seeing me here. But I think actually this is the season of love. Within this period, if you don't actually demonstrate that love, love not shown is love wasted. So I think that's what we are trying to demonstrate. Brotherly love, friendship, and then in the spirit of the season, we must visit one another. I think that's all I have to say for now.
But this love, will it be shared also politically?
If it's politically, I would have told you I came here for politics. I said I came here to see my brother. Okay?
Okay.
Well, thank you very much. Like my brother, the governor of Akwa-Ibom said, we're here to share with ourselves. And especially that today is 31st of December, is the end of the year 2022. Today, we're going to go to 2023. And we shared among ourselves how can we best add value to our government, how can we best add value to our people, how can we do things that we help add value to our country, Nigeria. And if there are any issues in the past which we have done wrong, we look at it and say, look, let's forgive one another and move forward. That's it.
What are these issues we
No, they are private issues now. They are private issues, not anything more than that. They are private issues, so look at that.
Just to add voice to what two of them said, you are aware that Governor Ortom and I and some of my colleagues traveled, and Governor Ortom, when he heard he was coming, I would say collective weight and let us all meet. Private relationship politics is not what should divide brothers and divide friends. Everybody knows my relationship with Udom, and we'll continue to maintain that relationship. We may have different political affiliation or thinking. That should not, divide or create
the brotherly love.
The brotherly love or create a gap. So, like he said, all of the spirit of the birth of Christ and all going to new year, they need to continue with that relationship as brothers and friends. So anything politics were not part of that discussion. Nothing politics was discussed at all. Thank you.
Let's get this one in front.
One of our boss.
Let's always try.